Alright, this is my problem with my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus that I ordered through Sprint, pre-ordered. It's been about a month and a half. On the 4/25/2017, it acted up. Long story, just started acting up, showing me this notification that you'll see here. Now with fast charging, you see everything's enabled: fast wireless and fast charging. Now when I go and I insert USB-C that was in box here, connected to a GFI plug. I'm going to go ahead and insert. See there, forcing it in. Okay, it shuts off. You see here, if you are able to feel it, it's just got haptic feedback, like it wants to do something, but it's not doing anything. Hit the power button, hold the power button, nothing happens. It's doing nothing. So we unplug it, right? Well, it stops. Now we reinsert the same plug right here. Insert it back in. This is what you get every single time, and it's not even at the level where it would be able to fast charge. It's at that point at 92%, above. I think it's like above 80%. I forget what it is. It doesn't even fast charge anymore. It just charges the device at basically the same way if you had the fast charging enabled or not. It's somewhere below 75 or 50 or 80, I think it is, where it's still enabling a quicker or faster charge. So we go ahead and reboot it now. All right. Reboots fairly quickly. And just so you know here, it is Thursday the 6th that I'm making this video. It's been about a week since the 25th. I've been getting those little problems with it, and then the notification or the warning that there's supposedly water in there, which I've never put it in water. As you can see here, I just don't have the SIM card inserted. So then we go here, go ahead here and put it on my fast wireless charger. No problems. Okay, charges just fine. No, doesn't shut off, doesn't cut off, nothing. It'll just charge. Give it about 30 seconds here, just because I don't want this video to be 25 minutes long. Anyways, it's been about 30 seconds there, right? Now we go back in here, stop touching the screen for too long. Back into device, battery, advanced settings. And we disable fast wireless charging, right? Or fast wireless, fast cable charging. Go ahead and again, same cable, and this came in box with the Samsung Galaxy S8. It doesn't matter anyways, they're all the same. I checked both. I've had the 7 and now the 8, and I've had the 6 before it. They're all the same wattage. You can see here, no problems. Charges. The same wattage on the difference is color. Same wattage, 5 amps or 5.1 amps, whatever it is, and all the specifications on the wall, USB wall chargers are the same. See, it's a 93% already. So anyways, it's charging fine, no problems. And now here's the kicker. So we shut it off, right? Just to show you with the screen off as well. No problems. Continues to charge. Here is the kicker, which I've already verified there's a problem with it. And like I said, I hope, or I think I said, I hope they don't blame me for this. As you can see here, I've got a screen protector on it, Alpha Glass from OtterBox. I haven't got well, this is scratched, but I've had a case on it. I have my case. Where'd I put the case at? Somewhere. Anyways, you can see here, pristine, no nicks, no damage. Haven't dropped it. That little plastic sticker that's always on there, so I can get it back into focus. It's kind of hard, as you can see there. Haven't dropped it. Haven't damaged it. Haven't scratched it. Went around the plug. Haven't manhandled it. See there. There in some light. Haven't manhandled it or anything. Like I said, haven't dropped it. Glass on the around the camera is fine. The fingerprint sensor hasn't been scratched. Like I said, it's pristine. I've had it for under a month and kept it in a clear OtterBox case. And I have another one, a Defender series case. So anyways, now here's the kicker. Unplug it. Same, like I said, just unplugged it. I got a bad hand, and my right hand's long story. I just kind of plopped the camera on the hand, but basically use one hand. You see it there, it's at 94% already, charging fine. Now power it off. Kind of hard doing this, trying to look through the camera. The screen on my other device here, the device I'm using here. Don't want to mention any names of what device I'm using here, but as you see there, give it time to shut off. Oh, now that we have the USB-C disconnected, you can see here. Okay, no damage, no anything that says that I've manhandled it. Like I said, it's pristine. I just got the device. Samsung, fan of Samsung. I've had the Galaxy S3, I had the Galaxy S5, 6, and 7. Now watch. Plug it back in. Done. Will not charge. That's with regular charging enabled. With the device completely off, it says the same thing. So now we unplug it again. Let the warning go off. Let it calm back down, whatever's wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it again. And as you can see, there's device is pristine. You might have a scratch on the screen protector. That's fine with me. That's what it's made for. Power button, nothing's wrong with it. So now we go ahead. Device is off. Fast wireless charging enabled. No problems. You see there? 94%. And will charge without any issues whatsoever. That's it. Screen goes off. Device, don't forget, the device is completely off. Not one single issue. So whatever's wrong with it, I didn't do it, and I hope they fix it and don't try and say it's something I did. Is that this the what's the word I'm looking for? The symptoms the device is having tells me that there's either something inside the device in the USB-C or somewhere in the software something is not right. Like I said, would have been a nicer video, but it's really just to make sure that everyone else out there sees that there's no problems. So we're not going to wait for it to get back up. It takes about 2.5 minutes, almost 3 minutes to go up another percentage. I've been watching this and seeing if it's always the same, so it takes about 2.5, 3 minutes for it to charge up 1%. Powers up. That's about it. Be careful, make sure this doesn't happen to you, and if it does, don't leave yourself out in the cold, not being able to charge your device. Oh, I'm going wrong. That's not where I wanted to go. This is for myself, you can see there. Just in case they say it's me. It's not me. Go in here. Status. You see there. It's a Sprint branded device. As you can see there. Brand Sprint. And all that good information. So be careful. Don't let it happen to you.